If consciousness is the foundation of everything, then perhaps God isn't watching from the sky. Perhaps God is looking out through your eyes right now. Every neuron that fires in your brain, every thought that crosses your mind, might be a small echo of the divine awareness that birthed the cosmos. What if you are not in the universe, but rather the universe is in you? For centuries, mystics and philosophers have hinted at this truth. Tat tvamasi, said the ancient Sanskrit. You are that. The essence that gives rise to stars is the same essence that breathes life into you. Modern science is beginning to catch up. In quantum physics, entanglement shows us that particles separated by light years can still affect one another instantaneously, as if space itself is just an illusion, and everything is connected beneath the surface. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. But maybe it's not spooky at all. Maybe it's evidence that there is no true separation between anything, that all of creation is woven together by the same invisible thread of consciousness. If that's true, then the question, who created God, transforms into why did God create us? Maybe creation is how the infinite learns what it means to be finite. Maybe God experiences reality by becoming everything that exists, every planet, every life form, every thought. You are not a mistake of evolution. You are the universe becoming aware of itself. Think about this for a moment. Out of all the stars, galaxies, and endless cosmic dust, there exists a species capable of asking, "Why am I here?" That question itself is sacred. It's the echo of the divine searching for its own reflection. So perhaps God didn't just create humans. Maybe humanity is how God awakens. Before we go deeper, hit that like button and subscribe, because what comes next will change how you see reality itself. If consciousness is fundamental, then matter might not create mind. Mind might create matter. The double-slit experiment revealed that particles behave differently when observed. Observation changes reality. Awareness shapes existence. So what if the entire cosmos exists only because consciousness, the divine observer, is looking? Without awareness, the universe might be nothing more than a blank canvas. But through observation, through awareness, through you, it becomes real. This idea has been explored by scientists like John Wheeler, who proposed the participatory universe. He suggested that reality is not something we simply witness. It's something we co-create. Every act of observation helps the universe define itself. In other words, creation is ongoing. God didn't just create the universe billions of years ago. God is creating it right now, through you, through every conscious being in existence. Maybe God isn't an entity with a beginning, but a process. The infinite act of awareness manifesting itself endlessly. Now imagine this. Every soul, every consciousness across time and space is a fragment of that divine awareness. Each life, each experience is another brushstroke in the painting of eternity. You've never been separate from God. You've just been playing the game of forgetting, the illusion of individuality that allows the one to experience itself as many. When you look at the stars, you're not looking at something out there. You're looking at yourself in another form, another time. And maybe when the final breath of the universe comes, when every star burns out and all matter fades into darkness, that awareness will gather everything it has learned. Every joy, every tragedy, every heartbeat, and begin again. A new creation, a new universe, a new dream. And in that new dream, maybe you'll wake up again, asking the same question. Who created God? Because the answer is always the same. You did. You are both the question and the answer, the seeker and the source. The mystery you search for has been within you all along. If this made you feel something deep inside, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell, because the next chapter of this series will take you beyond theology, beyond science, into the cutting edge of consciousness research that may prove that the divine mind isn't just belief, it's reality itself. And until then, remember, the greatest discovery isn't out there among the stars. It's within you.